What's up, family? How y'all doing, man? I gotta speed this up real quick. All right. So, what is thyroid? This is informational based. I am not a doctor. You too can obtain this information. Now, what is thyroid? Well, a thyroid. Let's say. Let's go up here. Okay, I'm sorry. The thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate the body's metabolic rate as well as heart and digestive function, muscle control, brain development, and bone maintenance. Its correct functioning depends on having a good supply of iodine from the diet. Thyroid hormones control metabolism, growth, blood temperature, muscular strength, appetite, and the health of your heart, brain, kidneys, and reproductive system. Thyroid cells are the only cells in the body that absorb iodine. Now, y'all see this, right? Okay, now, what is hormones? It says the thyroid produces hormones. Well, hormones are a regulatory substance produced in an organism and transported in tissue fluids such as blood or snap to stimulate specific cells or tissues in action. So this is what hormones do. They stimulate specific cells or tissue into action. And the thyroid gland is what they say inside a gland that's inside of the endocrine system. So what is the endocrine system? The endocrine system is a collection of glands that produce hormones that regulate metabolism, growth and development, tissue function, sexual function, production, sleep, and mood, among other things. Hormone diseases also occur if the body does not respond to hormones the way it is supposed to. Stress, infection, and changes in the blood's fluid and electrolyte balance can also influence hormone levels. In the United States, the most common endocrine disease is diabetes. Now, diabetes. All right. But they said that the thyroid disease is a disease that is caused by immune disease, immune dysfunction. Well, that they say the immune system start attacking the thyroid, thinking that the thyroid is harmful to the body. Well, you would think that it would. If the hormones are stimulating tissue and cells into action, you would think that if it's released, the thyroid is releasing hormones into the body and it's controlling the what? Your body temperature, growth, metabolism, muscular strength, appetite, health of heart, the brain, kidneys, and reproductive system. You would think that these hormones that's being released are making the immune system think that the thyroid is harmful. So the immune system is attacking the thyroid. Well, why would that happen? Well, it would happen because, one, it's not getting iodine to help the function of it, right? And two, if you ate something that threw off the balance, the hormonal balance, right? So when you eating things that's breaking down into sugar from drinking or not just eating to drinking will cause sugar too, and eating starch, right? Yeast, right? Artificial sugars, right? All these things break down into glucose, which will make the pancreas overproduce insulin to combat the sugar, high glucose levels. See, once the gallbladder in the pancreas releases these juices to help the digestion part of the stomach, it will go into the blood stream by way of the blood vessels in the small intestine. And the small intestine will send this fluid to the what? Through the blood system, through the vein, the veins to the thyroid, causing it to what? Be overwhelmed and threw off in its balance. Because it's not receiving iodine, it's receiving sugar or toxins. Do you hear me? So by the thyroid controlling all these functions, these very essential functions in the body, the metabolism, that got to do with weight, the growth in the body, right? The body's temperature, the muscular strength, the appetite, the health of the heart, the brain, the kidneys, and reproductive system. And it says right here, it influences the function of many of the body's most important organs, including the heart, brain, liver, kidneys, and skin. So, what helps out? And how could you get natural iodine? Well, you get natural iodine from seaweeds. Well, what is a good seaweed? Sea moss, Irish moss. You hear me? Gives you 92 out of the 102 minerals your body requires. That will give you. You change your diet, right? Alkaline diet. You do green leafy vegetables, kale, that also provides iodine, and do that sea moss, and you will get the function of your thyroid back. Bless y'all. This your boy Jamel. Be alkaline. Peace.